Welcome back to the Trail Project. It's episode 3. I just finished filming for 2 days. Got a little out of hand, but stay tuned to find out. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and enjoy the video. First things first, I want to move this landing back and make it bigger. And then I'll make this steeper, taller, and more fun. Alright, now we have this. I don't normally do this, but I think I'm going to get dirt from in between the takeoff and the landing. Right in there. Alright, just finished the landing. It's pretty steep, pretty good. I think it's going to run well. Tomorrow I'll do the takeoff. See you then. Alright, stay tuned. Today's the takeoff. Since the landing is so steep, I want the takeoff to be pretty steep also, so you can really boost it. You know, should be fun. I'll get started now. Alright, just finished the takeoff. It's pretty good. I wasn't able to go any higher than this because the dirt is sliding into that hole, which is why I don't usually dig those. But it's not bad. So I'm gonna test it now. Hopefully it runs pretty well. We'll see. Alright, from the top, take one. Okay. Alright. I'll try that again, I guess. Woo. I think there's a tree in the way. I'll have to move that. Alright, so I rode it twice, and there's 2 things I need to fix. First of all, this tree is in the way. Also, this needs moved back 5 feet. I mean, this was terrible. It's way too short. So I'm gonna do another time lapse. Move this from here to here-ish. I don't know. It'll be about like a 10-foot gap. So we'll see. Alright, so that only took about 40 minutes. It's a lot longer now, so we should be able to test it, and it'll be nice. But first, I'm going to see how long it is. Alright, I got a tape measure. Mr. Rock is holding it here. So this is 4 inches up, so I'll subtract 4 from the total. But over here, it's 11 feet, 6 inches, so we'll say 11 feet and 2 inches. That is a pretty long gap. It's time to test it. Alright, here we go. It's 11 feet now. Need a lot of speed. Oh no. Whoa! Perfect. Alright, run number 2. I'm gonna try for less speed and boost it. Alright, going in with a different line this time. I'm gonna try a table. Oh. Nope. No. So I'm not exactly happy with the landing. I think it needs to be wider, maybe even longer. But that's all I have time for in this episode. Probably do that next episode. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe. Like if you feel like it. Have a good day.